Today we want to add sum in a stacked column chart. And how can we do it in Excel? First of all, we need to calculate this sum for our values. Then we can select range the values we are be using on our chart, and on the insert tab we want to find columns, stacked column chart. So we can choose this chart, and we can see that our sum is the biggest column, the longest column, and we need to change the type of the chart for this series. So we can right click it, and then from the pop-up menu choose to change series chart type, and in this large window we can see we have 5 series, and we want to change chart type for the last one, for the sum. So we can change stacked column to some kind of the line chart. We can see the points on the top of our columns, stacked columns, but I prefer to use scatter XY scatter chart, but without secondary axis. And we now have only points at the top of the columns, and we can press OK, and we just need to add, so plus, and here we need data labels, and those data labels are on the right side of the point, but we need them above. So Ctrl+1, and we need to change right to the above, and now we have this right one we wanted, and now we don't need those points, we don't want to see them. So the bucket, and we markers, marker options, none, we don't want to see them, but they will be for Excel. Okay, thanks to that we can see these data labels, and we can add data labels for other parts of our chart. So yeah, I prefer this way and would look nicer. I don't need this horizontal lines, so I will delete them, and I will change a bit formatting for these data labels of our sum. For example, we can go to Format tab, and we choose, let's go with this orange borders, and we can see those values are a bit different, formatted differently than others values. And the last part we need is to delete sum from legend. So we have to click once the legend, and then again click only the sum series, and now we can delete this series. And the last part we can change on this chart is to change the title of the chart. So we can go to formula bar equals to the value from the B1 cell, enter, and we can see our chart with sums.